Good morning, good morning. Alright, so I hope everyone had a great weekend. What's up, Jared? What's up, Chad? Nico's not here just yet. Alright. So last week we closed bearish here on gold. We are reacting to previous weekly support, weekly key areas here around 1785, 1782. Already broken the lows of last week. Overall, we do have pretty clean traffic here, down to 1726. Alright, we also had support at 1747. We have now broken below and closed below this support pre-London. Your 4-hour candle, okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. So we can see that previous 4-hour candle was just a weak bullish candle, still respecting that previous support area, still closing below. Hourly looks like maybe we're forming resistance here. 30 minutes just ranging. So 30 minutes we've got a support right here at 1744. So closures below 1744, that'll be great for sales. Otherwise, even impulse entries on the break of those previous 4-hour lows. Sell stops on the break of previous 4-hour candle, stops above that previous candle, and our stop loss would be 37 pips with targets, final targets here about 170 pips. $17.50 retest coming in London. Potentially, we've been slowly just chugging away to the downside. Asian session, nothing too dramatic, but we did have a little bit of a pullback, top wick created on the weekly, and a nice little move down here, break of previous weekly lows. So yeah, maybe London session we do run up and grab more liquidity, but for the most part I quite like impulse entries on the break of previous 4-hour lows. No wins yet, no trades taken this week just yet. Only been on the chart for like 10 minutes. Asian session opened up with no top wick. Oh, that's true. Yeah, we could come up and create a top wick for this previous hourly. So Shaker has a very good point here, saying that we could retest 1750. So we could come up, just create that top wick for that previous hourly there, and then continue with these sells. What's up, David? What's up, Wayne? What's up, Great? Alright, but for now, sell stops on the break of previous 4-hour lows at 1743, 900. Or 925. If we do break previous 4-hour highs, we may then form a steeper top wick here, coming up to create that top wick for that previous hourly there, that Asian open candle with no top wick. So then we'll have to reassess. But for now, just got these impulse entries here on gold. GJ, we've come down, created a bottom wick for the weekly and daily time frames here, but overall we are bullish, and I believe we are still respecting this previous bullish structure. got a resistance right here. So yeah, breaks above this resistance at 166.390, and we look pretty good to drive up here. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to sort something out here. GJ, if we break previous 4-hour highs here, we could see that volume come in as well. I'm not going to have entries here on the break of these highs. I'd rather see us actually closing above resistance. GJ, nah, I don't want to play around with GJ. But overall setup looks decent. Just need to wait for a closure here. So we've got 12 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so on my broker, my sell stops are at 17.43.900 on the dot. Stop loss is at 17.47.6. Do I downsize when taking impulse entries? No, I don't. I do not. Just want to have a quick look at DXY, see what the dollar's doing. But it's clear to see on gold, we have had a little bit more dollar strength coming back into the picture, stabilizing after that CPI has been priced in. Looks like dollar's broken above 107, this previous resistance, and you know, these candles to the left here could quite easily just be mirrored all the way back up to 109,500. And if that's the case, I'm looking at gold here. We've also just got clean traffic moving all the way back down to 1726, 1707. I think I made a mistake in the breakdown saying one of my targets was 1705. 1707 was the level I was looking at here. So I believe by the end of the week, if we don't get any new fundamentals and we see dollar strength coming back into the picture, we could easily see this range get filled. This was a very impulsive move up, and when we have these impulsive moves, they generally get corrected eventually. So we can see prices now trading back in this range here. GJ breaking previous 4-hour highs, moving up. You had a buy limit on GJ 166, 132. Show us the analysis. GBP USD plan. You're more than welcome to send a chart to the Discord. I don't trade GU. But what I'm seeing is dollar stabilizing, dollar strength potentially coming back into the picture. So it should be the same for all USD pairs. But like I say, feel free to send a chart to the Discord and I'll have a look for you. Hey Connor, what's up? Is that a sell stop? It is a sell stop here on gold. GJ is still bullish. Did you see my analysis, Shaker? I literally said buys all week long. So I very much agree with you. GJ is bullish. GJ to me does look really nice here to move up. Just waiting for this 30-minute candle to close. About 3 minutes. And then what I would like to see on your new 30-minute candle is just a little bottom wick being created, retesting this previous resistance, and then buy stops on the break of the highs. Yeah, that's the ideal scenario. No, this isn't a buy stop. This is just a potential break-even point here for these buys if we do get involved. Okay, so gold here. Just remember we've got these sell stops in. Right now price is just in this lower time frame range. Alright, your 4 hour has closed below this previous 4 hour support at 1747. Previous 4 hour closed bullish, but still respecting that support level, just retesting that area. So a break of these lows pre-London with absolutely clean traffic to the left. I'm expecting to see some volume here. GJ also setting up quite nicely. Difference between stops and limits. So a sell stop, for instance, will be below current price. So once price breaks through our sell stop here, we'll get triggered in. Whereas a sell limit would be above current price. So if we came up to the sell limit, we'd get triggered in right here, anticipating price to move down from that level. Personally, I don't really like limit orders. Never really implemented it into my strategy. A buy limit, we would be setting below current price, anticipating us to come down, get triggered in, and then continue moving up. With a buy stop, we'll be looking to have buy stops on the break of this high, for instance. I just first need to see a nice bottom wick here. I'm gonna be very selective with GJ today. Played with my feelings last week, man. Buys above 166,985 also look pretty decent once you're out of this range. This is not the cleanest price action to the left, but I'm just looking at these candles right here with volume. I'm anticipating us to move back up for this range. Based off the daily and weekly, looks like we're just forming a nice bottom wick, and overall we are bullish. So I would anticipate this weekly candle to come back up at some point, flip bullish, and continue moving up here. Thank you, Trader X, appreciate it. Anticipated break even on gold sales, looking at 1741. Let's rather make this 1742. $17.42, previous key area as well on the daily and weekly, so definitely a level to be aware of here. From our entries, that's about 20 pips, and if we get 20 pips in profit, you don't really want to go back to drawdown, so I'll be happy to go break even at 17.42. What's up from Australia? Welcome to the stream. What about gold versus dollar? We've got sell stops. This is gold versus the dollar. Sales running since last week. Lovely. It's NFP. No, not today, brother. NFP is first Friday of the month. It's coming, so is Christmas. I think what's more important actually is the December FOMC. And interest rates decision. We also have Fed meeting minutes on Wednesday this week. Wednesday evening we have Fed meeting minutes, so potentially a stream Wednesday evening. I'd like to be doing one evening stream a week, whether we're trading indices or if there's some news. So we'll have a look at FOMC meeting minutes. It's kind of past my bedtime, so we'll have to see.